In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the resume on LinkedIn from your mobile device. So let's get started. First things first, you need to go ahead and open up your LinkedIn app. If it's not installed, you can download it from your app store. Once it's open, you'll want to head directly to your profile. To do this, simply tap on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Now you should be seeing a bunch of options, but your focus should be on the settings. You can find the settings option at the bottom of the screen within your profile menu. Give that a tap. Once you're in settings, scroll a bit until you see an option labeled Data Privacy. This section is crucial as it contains all the personal settings and preferences related to your LinkedIn account. Open up Data Privacy and you'll find a few different options here. What we're looking for specifically is job seeking preferences. Give that a tap and you're getting closer. Within Job Seeking Preferences, select Job Application Settings. Now it's likely that you might need to wait for just a moment while the screen loads, especially if your internet connection is a bit sluggish. Be patient, it's almost done. Once it loads, you'll see the section where you can actually upload your resume. It's pretty straightforward from here. You want to tap on Upload Resume. Doing this will prompt your device to open up its file or document picker where you can choose the resume stored on your mobile device. Take a moment to locate the correct file. If you've saved your resume in a specific location on your device, navigate there and select it. Once you've found your resume, just tap on it and then hit Select at the top right corner of the screen. Just like that, LinkedIn will begin to upload your resume. Once this is finished, congratulations. You've successfully uploaded a resume to your LinkedIn account using the mobile app. With these steps, you're now ready to apply for jobs on LinkedIn with your updated resume right at your fingertips. If you found these instructions helpful and you'd like to learn more tips and tricks like this, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. And if you want to stay updated with all our latest uploads, go ahead and tap that bell icon to turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.